Hey jewelry lovers, welcome back to JewelryMeTV, your favorite place to shine, sparkle, and shop smart right here on YouTube. Up today, we've got a total showstopper. This stunning never fade, never tarnish sterling silver ring, featuring a gorgeous, high-quality zircon stone that catches light like a dream. Sparkles. Whether you're heading out for date night or just want to add some glam to your everyday vibe, this ring does not quit. Swim in it, shower in it, it's built tough with solid stainless steel, not that hollow stuff. So yeah, it's beauty and strength, all in one. And the best part? You can grab yours right now with Cash App. Just scan that QR code on your screen. Collision-free shipping is on us. That's right, absolutely free, and it'll be on your doorstep in 3 to 5 days. When you're sending your Cash App payment, don't forget to include the item number, your full name, and mailing address in the payment description so we can get it to you fast and smooth. So what are you waiting for? Sparkle season is officially in session, and your new favorite ring is only a scan away.